Hey friends, this is Atif Opirwell and welcome to the new update on TokenClub. In today's analysis, we will take a look at this big bounce from this support of $0.0057, almost half cents, and now it is moving towards the next strong resistance. And we will also watch this big bearish pennant as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my recent trade setup that I shared for my members at the Patreon of TokenClub a few hours ago, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal bat move. And when I shared this idea at that time, the final leg of this bat was completed. Therefore, I told my members that from here we can expect a pump or bullish reversal from this potential reversal zone. And by the way, this pattern was formed on the 4-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair, and our buying was from 53, starting from 53 and go to 51, and sell targets were from 0.00000060 to 67 bitcoins. Now, after playing this chart, we can see that the price line has so far rallied very well, and this is, by the way, more than a 22% rally within 24 hours. And right now it is still moving here at the potential sell zone of this harmonic bullish reversal bat move. Now, if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, here I want to show you some major support and resistance levels on this weekly time frame. And here we had a very strong support, a key support for TCT, that is at half cents almost, $0.000057. And previously we can see this level had been breaking as a support since March 2020, and we can see that for several weeks it had been breaking as a support here from March 2020 to July 2020. Then we had a big rally and rejected by this 4.1 cents, and again moved down at this support of half cents, and again we tested the support for several months. And after December 2020, another rally was started, and from this half cent, $0.000057, we had a big rally up to 11.7 cents. And after that, we again dropped down at this support. And after testing this support of 1.7 cents, we are again dropped at the next support of half cents almost. And right now, after forming a double bottom here, if I zoom this chart out, then you can see we have formed a double bottom here. We dropped here, we moved up, and again dropped here. This time we did not test this support of half cent, and now we are moving up towards the next resistance of 1.7 cents. Now let's take a look at this next resistance. Then we can see previously it had been breaking as a strong support for several weeks here, from January 2022 to April 2022, before this breakdown. And before that, it had been breaking at a strong support from Feb 2021 to July 2021. Then we had a big move. You can see we tested the support here and here and here, and last time we tested the support here in July 2021. And before that, it was breaking as a resistance here in January 2020 and as a resistance here in August and September 2020 as well. Now, while we are moving up towards this resistance, at the same time, on the same weekly time frame chart, it has also formed this bearish pennant as well. And right now you can see it is trying to break out this resistance of the bearish pennant. And if this pennant will be broken out, then we can expect a big move from here. And let me just show you the target for this breakout. Once we will be able to break out this resistance of the bearish pennant, then our target can be here, approximately 10.974 cents, very close to 11 cents. That will be a really very big move, and the probability for breaking out this resistance of the pennant is quite high, because at the same time, if we take a look at this stochastic oscillator, then we can see that the stochastic is forming higher low than previous low, and if we watch price line, then it was forming lower than previous low. So there is a bullish divergence on this weekly time frame, and we have reached a resistance with bullish divergence. Therefore, probability is high to break out this resistance of the Pennant. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.